What's going on, people? Your boy K. We're back with another one. Before I start this video, I want to tell everybody, hope you had a good Christmas and hope y'all have a happy holiday season. You know what I'm saying? Hope it goes wonderful for everybody, and I hope y'all get ready for this new year. Hope everybody got plans to bring this new year in with a bang, and I hope that everybody gonna make 2022 better than 2021 was. You know what I'm saying? So now let's get to this video, and as you can see, I got the hood up. So that can only mean one thing. I got some under hood mods. Yes, I have added some mods to it, and I have added this mod before on my 2020 Mustang that had the 6-speed manual. And like I say, this cold air intake that I added is basically so nice I had to buy it twice, man. This is the Injen Evolution cold air intake, and in my opinion, this is the best cold air intake for the Gen 3 Coyote. For one, there's no other intake that fits and look as good as the Injen Evolution does. Just look at this, man. You know, they really paid attention to detail when they designed it. They made sure they designed it to fit the curves of the car. This thing looked like a factory piece, you know what I'm saying? And with the closed box design, which I think the best cold air intake is going to be a closed box design, it really increases your throttle response, and it kind of gives your exhaust a little bit more depth to it and a little bit more volume. Like I said, I had this on my 2020, the 6-speed, and I got it on 10-speed. And for me, I think it wakes the 10-speed up more than it did in the manual. You can really feel the throttle response, you know, increase, and it makes the car feel like it's more ready to go. Like it doesn't take that much effort when you push the gas. The car's like really ready to this launch, you know what I'm saying? And it looks wonderful, man, you know. If you really want a cold air intake that looks good, I definitely recommend this one. And another upside to this cold air intake is that it doesn't require a tune. You know, a lot of us are financing these cars, and you know they come with a warranty, and you don't want to take the chance of the tune void the warranty. This is the best way you can go. You put this on, plug it in, and there it is. No tune required, you know what I'm saying? Now it has claims of like 26 horsepower and like 17-something pound-feet of torque extra. I don't know if that's true or not, but I will tell you, it does wake the car up and does make it feel like it has a little bit more oomph to it, you know what I'm saying? Now, I can't tell you if the horsepower numbers are true, but hey, you know, it does feel a little better and does give it a little bit more oomph to it, you know? But like I said, this is a very good looking intake, man, you know? And the install on it, you know, isn't very bad. It's only 2 pieces, so, you know, it's not hard to install. And the one thing I like about it is the filter right here. All you do is put the filter in the housing and turn it till it clicks and it locks. That's it. You put the tube on it, clamp it down, and there you go. You know what I'm saying? Very easy install, you know. You know, when people see this intake, they always, you know, talk about the size of it, and it is a pretty good size intake. I wasn't gonna, you know, buy a cold air intake, but I just thought about the throttle response they had in the other car. I wanted to feel that in this car, so I had to go with it, man. And there wasn't no question that I was gonna get the engine, because I loved it in the other car, so I knew I was gonna like it on this one too. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. And also I've added the GLTR separator, as you can see. You know, these are the first mods that most people are gonna do in the Mustang besides the exhaust. And we got some mods coming on that too soon, you know. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick update on the car, some of the mods I've done, you know. I hope y'all like it. And if you really think about getting this, and you're on the fence about the Injen Evolution cold air intake, I will say this is a cold air intake that does the job, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you really think about one, just want to clean the engine bay up, want to get a little bit more, you know, pep in it, I definitely recommend it, you know what I'm saying? But like I say, y'all stay tuned. I got some more mods coming. Happy holidays, everybody, and peace out.